Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new audience on Mailchimp. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type mailchimp.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click at login into your account so you can actually enter your name or user's name or email, then password, then you can log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you can actually scroll down here and see all the plans that they have. They have the three paid plans and one free plan. Once you choose whatever plan suits you, let's use this as an example, they're gonna get you to the section where you can actually create your account. As you can see, let's just click add this free plan, sign up for free or sign up free, and that should take you here. Simply just enter your email, username and password, then click on sign up. Let me do that and I'm coming back. So now you'll have to check your email by just going to your email and activate it by the message that they're gonna send you. Once you activated your account, you'll find yourself here again, so let's just click at continue free. Here, you'll have just to enter your first name, last name, so let's just enter those that is like suggested for me and click on next. Of course, the phone number is just optional. And here, of course, you'll have to enter your address, thanks, and etc. So let's just enter those, click on next. And here, of course, you'll have to answer some questions. If you don't want to, it's cool. You can just keep pressing and at next, as you can see. But the first one, you should actually just answer it, and you will see the rest of them. You can actually keep clicking at skip. Once you finish, click on finish. And as you can see, once you click on let's go, you will find yourself on the home screen of the Mailchimp websites. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, who would like to create a new audience on Mailchimp. And of course, if you want to do that, we can simply go to this audience section on this left panel, click on all contacts. And here, of course, if you want to create a new audience, we can simply click on add a contact. Of course, we can add a subscriber manually. We can add their email address here, which is the mandatory thing. And of course, all other things is just optional. Once you finish, click on subscribe and you'll find them on your all contacts or your audience section here. Of course, you can even import your contacts or your audience through another service or through a CSV file. You can upload your file or you can just copy paste them and you'll find them all then into this table with all the other audience. So this will actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.